Welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening a LOL Surprise OMG Remix doll, and we have Punk Girl and Rock Boy. So putting this down. So this is how it looks, and we have like the discs. I'm gonna get them out. Here's the disc. So here's Punk Girls and Rock Boys. So that's Punk Girl and Rock Boy. So here's Punk Boy. And one side. Rock Boy. And here's Punk Girl. Now blind bags. So let's open it up. Here's one of Punk Girl's bags, and it looks like we have these cute little glasses. Then we have her necklace. And we have her earrings. And we have her bracelet. So now let's see right here. And she has her guitar. Now let's unbox her. And here how she looks. So that's her stuff. So now we are going to be opening up the side of Rock Boy. But there's one more thing. I almost forgot we need to open up her stand. Here's one of her things. And she just like Lady, so she has somewhere to sit. And here's our stand. So now I'm going to put it all together. So we're going to open up the next one, and he is Rock Boy. So I put my disc down so we can hear it later. First we are opening up. So here's his background. And I'm going to see this blind bag. And then this blind bag. He has his guitar. So here's his top of the stand. here is this other part of the stand. If you look under, you have this. So, I'm putting on his legs. I'm putting on him on his stand now. So now that we both have them, I think it's time to put. So now they look together. And their clothes is like so punky and rocky. This one has blue hair, and on the side it like has freckles. And this one like has black hair. And it has the scarf. And I don't know why I found the scarf in Punk Girls. So I think now it's time to use this. Let's listen to Punk Girls first. So now let's see what he does. So now we switched it over to BB side. Make sure you switch it over to BB side under there. So now it's time to hear the BB side noises. So let's see if he does something. Nope. He doesn't do anything. Nothing. I hope you liked watching this video of me opening Punk Girl and Rock Boy. They are dancing while you sign out.